Welcome to our guide on starting an online marketplace for local crafts. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you succeed. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Handmade Marketplace by Kari Chapin offers practical advice for selling handmade goods online. Another great read is The Designer's Guide to Marketing and Selling Artisan Goods Online by Megan Aumann. It provides a comprehensive guide to building a successful online business. Podcasts are also a valuable resource. The Handmade Entrepreneur covers the business of handmade goods, including crafts made by local artisans. For more insights, check out the Crafty Planner podcast. It discusses various topics related to crafting and selling crafts online. YouTube videos can offer visual guidance. How to Start an Online Marketplace for Local Crafts by Springboard provides an excellent overview. Don't forget about AI tools like Sellbrite and Jazva. These tools help manage inventory, orders, and shipping for your online store. Finally, consider taking online courses. Udemy offers Start an Online Marketplace for Local Crafts, which covers the basics of starting your business. Good luck!